Hello, stay tuned and see how I fix the dent on the quarter panel of this 91 Miata to look like this. Paint issues. This fender's got clear coat peel, the hood's got some clear coat peel. Other than that, the paint's in good shape, but it does have a lot of dents all the way around the car. Like this one, and this one, and probably a lot of this crease here that I wouldn't be able to get a tool on, but these ones that I can't get a tool on, they're kind of driving me crazy. So I'm going to glue pull it and see what happens. It's a good risk I'm going to damage the paint being as old as it is. There's chips all over this thing if you start looking at it, so if I add another one with a glue pull, it's not going to be the end of the world. I'll just touch it up. I think in this case at least I'd like to trade a dent for a touch-up if I have to. We'll see what happens. So here's what it looks like all set up and ready to go. I'll use my mini lifter to pull this glue tab off. Glue gun for some glue. Hammer and knockdown to knock it down flat, and some alcohol to remove any glue that may stick to the car. Here goes nothing. I'm going to dry for a sec. It's a little warm out here, so it takes longer than usual. May have shallowed it up a little. Give it a couple pulls and check back. Alright, let me show you where we're at now. After those few pulls, got it down to 2 little pits, and it's kind of a high spot if you can see this in this angle. This little section right here is kind of high, so I'll tap that down, and then I'll work on pulling those two a little bit more. But honestly, if I just left it alone, it's barely noticeable compared to what it was. Now that I've made all those pulls, the tension's gone, so it just takes really light tapping to knock this high stuff down. It just naturally wants to flow back where it was. It's a little low there. I mean a little high. This is going to end this dent right here, right now. Clean off this tab a little bit. That'll probably pull in 1 pull or so. This thing being on a really structural part of this panel, it's really strong right there. Versus this is going to be a lot more flexible and manageable. Alright, that last pull did pretty good. Pulled that nice and high and just left me with one shallow there, so I'm not even going to address that high yet. I'm going to hit that shallow first. Like so. Damn that little shallow area. So here's where it was. Just a minuscule nothing left. And natural lighting, it's not something you'd ever see. Paint held up perfect. Even though it had some scratches in the area, it didn't affect it a bit.